Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I will explain the two very important concepts in biochemistry, the ester band and the urea cycle. So let's begin to ester band. Ester band is a covalent band forming alcohol group react with the carboxylic acid. So, sa madaling salita, ang ester band ay isang link na nabubuo kapag ang alcohol at saka carboxylic acid ay nag-react. So, how ester band forms? Ang alcohol ay mayroon itong negative OH and then ang carboxylic acid naman ay mayroon itong negative COOH and then kapag nag-react ng dalawang yan, magre-release ito ng H2O which is galing yun sa alcohol at saka carboxylic acid which is yung tubig, and then ang matitira lamang ay ang negative COO which is yun yung ester bands. And now let's move on to urea cycle, or what we call urethane cycle. This cycle takes place in the liver and plays a very important role in keeping our body safe and harmful substances. So, kapag kumakain tayo ng protein, nadudurog ito sa ating amino acid. So, kapag further breakdown yung amino acid natin ay naglalabas ito ng nitrogen which is yun yung ammonia. So, ang ammonia ay hindi maganda ang dulot nito kapag naiipon sa ating dugo. Kaya mahalaga ang urea cycle.